The drizzle stitch is a pretty three-dimensional stitch. Come out from a point. Next, remove the thread from the needle and leave the thread open. Stick the needle into the fabric very close to where you brought out the thread from. Now, take the thread and twist it in your index finger and drop the loop into the needle. If you are trying such a stitch for the first time, this can seem a little tricky. You can do this slowly and hold the needle if you feel it is slipping. Check how you can support us in making these videos through the links in the description. Keep stacking the loops one over the other till your desired height. Note that the more you stack the loops, the longer the stitch will be, but it will also have a tendency to twist and even turn and flop. So try this stitch in various heights while practicing to understand how it works at different heights. Also, try using different thicknesses of threads and kinds of threads to understand the various effects. I'm using pearl cotton number 8 for this video. The thickness of this thread is equivalent to 3 strands of regular cotton embroidery floss. After you are done with the stacking of the loops, thread the needle again. Now hold the base of the stitch and pull down the needle to finish the stitch. You can end it with a knot method or move on to make more drizzle stitches or any other stitches. I hope you liked this tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe if you are new here. Thank you so much for watching.